Ion quiz number 12, the second to last quiz containing new ions, is going to contain 4 new ions, 2 of them pretty easy, 2 of them not quite as easy. Sulfide you could have done the very first week. It's just monatomic IDE ending in the -2 column, as you would expect, and then we've got the bi trick to throw an H on the front of it, change the charge by 1, bisulfide, and then you get into a couple of silicon-based ions, both of which have a charge of -2. In fact, a little trick that Jayton Collins, shout out, taught me is that on the ion sheet that I made when he was in school, every single ion that began with S had a -2 charge. That's not true anymore. I'll leave it to you to figure out which one I added since then that does not have a -2 charge that starts with S. But it's a pretty good trick if you're ever not sure. Here we have silicon, starts with S, -2 charge. Silicon starts with S, -2 charge. But then you have to remember the rest of it. Well, hexafluorosilicate. Hexa, as in a hexagon, means 6. So that's where this little 6 comes from. So hexafluoro, fluorine here. So we shorten fluorine to fluoro, so we have 6 fluorines, that's hexafluoro. And then silicate. Now with the ATE ending, you might expect an oxygen in there, but we don't have one this time, so we got to memorize that hexafluorosilicate is simply SiF6 and has a -2 charge. And the last one this week is silicate, which is SiO3 with a -2 charge. The 3 there is just something to memorize. Wish I had a trick for you there, but I don't.